Good afternoon, students. Today, we are going to see the next part of the lesson, that is Unit 6 Solid State, which we started in the last class. We discussed about what are crystalline solids, how they are classified, and what is the type of attractive forces existing between all the types of crystals, and what is meant by isotropy, anisotropy, and unit cell, definition of an unit cell and types of unit cells. So under types we had primitive and non-primitive, and under primitive we have 7 types of primitive unit cells, and we had 14 Bravais lattices. So all that we discussed in the last class. Today we are going to see the number of atoms present in each cubic unit cell. So we have simple cubic unit cell, body centered cubic unit cell, face centered cubic unit cell, and edge centered cubic unit cell. So in all this, how many atoms are present in one unit cell we are going to see. So first type we have is primitive or simple cubic unit cell. So we have is primitive or simple cubic unit cell. This is that. So you can see here each corner is shared by the 1/4 half of the each atom. So if you see this corner, this one corner will be shared with the another unit cell. So that is how they have shown here. So each corner is shared by each half of the atom. So if you take this unit cell, this atom, half is for this crystal and half we will be having another crystal here. Like if here is another crystal like this, another unit cell like this. So this one atom will be shared for this and this. So here half will be there, the remaining half will be here. So that is how this sharing will take place. So let's see, in simple cubic unit cell, each corner is occupied by an identical atoms or ions or molecules, and they touch along the edges of the cube, do not touch diagonally. So the coordination number of each atom is 6, which means each atom is in contact with 6 other atoms. Each atom in the corner of the cubic unit cell is shared by 8 neighboring unit cell, and therefore as per unit cell equal, which means, can you see here, 4 on the top, 4 on the below. So each corner will be shared by 8 neighboring cells. So to calculate that, each corner means, so number of atoms in the corner will be denoted as Nc by 8. So number of atoms in the corner, 8 atoms are shared by 8 corners, so Nc by 8. So now we are going to calculate number of atoms in the simple cubic unit cell is Nc by 8. So number of atoms in the corner is 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. The denominator 8 will be the constant value because maximum sharing will be 8 only. Next is body centered cubic unit cell. So body centered means it is similar to simple cubic, but one extra atom will be present at the center. Can you see a pink color ball, which is an atom which is present in the body, that is in the center, body center. So it is body centered cubic unit cell. So if you see here, the same 8 atoms will be shared in the corners, and in the center you will have one atom. So in a body-centered cubic unit cell, each corner is occupied by identical particle, and in addition to that, one atom occupies the body center, and these atom which occupies the corner do not touch each other. So that which is at the body centered will not be touching any other atom. However, they all touch one that occupies the body center. All the 8 corners will touch the body center, but it will not go and share with any other. Hence, each atom is surrounded by 8 nearest neighbors, and coordination number is 8. So here it shares with 8. So here also the coordination number is 8. An atom present in the body center belongs to only one particular unit cell, that is unshared by another unit cell. So the number of atom in body centered cubic unit cell is number of atoms in the corner divided by 8 is number of atoms in the body center divided by 1, because only one atom we have, so it is 1. So 8 by 8 plus 1 by 1 will be 2. So the total number of atoms in body centered unit cell is 2. So here this 8 பார்ட் சேர்ந்ததுன்னா ஒரு கம்ப்ளீட் ஆட்டம் ஒரு பார்ட்டிக்கல்னு சொல்லலாம். ஸோ அதுதான் நம்ம கேல்குலேட் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூ ஹாவ் ஒன்லி 8 parts. So all these 8 part will join. ஒரு ஆட்டமை நீங்கள் கட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா you will get 8 part. ஸோ அந்த 8 part தான் இப்படி 8 cornersல ஷேர் ஆகி you are getting the coordination number as 8. So when you calculate, we are all together taking it as one atom. So here 8 part along with one atom in the body center. So 8 part represents one complete atom. So 1 plus along which is in the body center will be 1. So altogether you will have 2. Next is face-centered cubic unit cell. So face-centered means a cube has 6 faces. So on all the 6 faces you will have an atom. So can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls in all the 6 faces, pink color balls. So now the faces இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே half தான் ஷேர் பண்ணும். Is it clear? The faces will be shared by half, but the corners will be sharing with 8 parts. Corners எல்லாமே 1/8 ஷேர் ஆகும். அதாவது ஒரு ஆட்டமை 8 பிரிக்கலாம். ஸோ கார்னர்ஸில் இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே 8 ஷேர் ஆகும். பாடியில் இருக்கிறது ஷேர் ஆகாது. ஃபேஸ் சென்டர்டில் இருக்கிறது 1/2. இட் வில் பி ஷேரிங் ஒன்லி half தான் ஷேர் ஆகும். In a face centered cubic unit cell, identical atoms lie at each corner as well as in the center of each face. Those atoms in the corners touch those in the faces but not each other. So the atom in the face center is being shared by 2 unit cells. So ஒரு atom 2 unit cell ஷேர் பண்ணிக்குது. So it is 1/2. So 2 பேர் ஒரு ஆட்டமை ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. பட் இந்த கார்னர்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 8 பேர் ஒரு ஆட்டமை ஷேர் பண்ணுறாங்க. 8 ஆட்டமை ஷேர் பண்ணுறாங்க. Number of atoms in the FCC unit cell is NC/8. NF is number of atoms in the face center divided by 2. So 8/8 plus 6/2 will be 1 plus 3, which is 4. The total number of atoms in FCC will be 4 atoms. So now to draw this crystal structure in a paper, it is not an easy task. So the constituents in a unit cell touch each other and form 3-dimensional network, and this can be simplified by drawing crystal structure with the help of a small circles we are using. So corresponding constituent particles connecting neighbor particles using straight line they have shown already in the picture. So now we are going to calculate the unit cell which is involving dimensions. So X-ray diffraction analysis is the most powerful tool for the determination of crystal structure. The interplanar distance, that is D, between two successive planes of atoms can be calculated using the following equation from the X-ray diffraction data, which is 2D sin theta is equal to n lambda. We already know which is a Bragg's equation. Lambda is wavelength of X-ray used for diffraction and theta is the angle of diffraction. N is order of diffraction. So by knowing the values of lambda, theta and n, we can calculate the value of D. So using these values, we can calculate the edge length of the unit cell. Now we are going to see calculation of density, one of the very important questions. This question can be asked in compulsory questions. So in the lesson இருந்து என்ன பாசிபிள்ங்கிறது you can expect packing efficiency நம்ம ஒன்று பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ அதிலிருந்து definitely either you may get this packing efficiency or this problem they will ask in 2 mark or 3 mark. So in 5 marks, if you see, either they will ask packing efficiency or otherwise we having imperfection in solids, we are having defects. So இந்த ரெண்டுல இந்த லெசனில் டெஃபினட்டாக ஒன்று எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். டென்சிட்டி could be asked in 2 mark or 3 mark. 5 markலேருந்து இந்த question or இந்த question, that is packing efficiency, or you can expect a defects you can expect. So calculation of density you can always expect in 2 mark or 3 mark. It is very important. Density of the unit cell. So generally density means what? Mass by volume. So density of the unit cell rho is equal to mass of the unit cell divided by the volume of the unit cell. So massங்கிறது இங்கே என்னது? Total number of atoms belong to that unit cell into mass of one atom is the mass of the unit cell. So we need to know mass of one atom. Mass of one atom என்னது? Molar mass by Avogadro number. So m is equal to m by n. So when you substitute 3 into, you will get number of mass of unit cell is equal to n into, that is number of atoms belonging to the unit cell into mass of the atom by Avogadro number. So for cubic unit cell, the edge lengths are equal. So edge length எப்பமே cubic unit cell க்கு equal இருக்கும், which is A equal to B equal to C. So நம்ம A into A into A cube எடுத்துப்போம். Therefore the density of the unit cell rho is equal to Nm is equal to, that is அங்க நம்ம numeratorல இருக்கிறது அப்படிதான், Nm divided by Avogadro number into this volume of the unit cell, which is A cube. So the formula for unit cell calculation for density calculation is Nm by A cube by, Nm by A cube into Na. So if you see here, barium has, this question I have asked in assignment also, very important, only one example we have. Barium has body centered cubic unit cell with the length of 508 picometer along an edge. What is the density? So you write the formula first. In the case we have n is equal to 2 because it is body centered cubic unit. So number of atoms in body centered cubic unit cell is 2. So n is equal to 2, and mass they have given 137.3 gram per mole, and the area is 508. So 508 picometer is converted into centimeter, and rho is equal to, applying the formula, n is 2 atoms, m is 137.3 gram per mole divided by A cube, that is 5.08 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter cube. Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. When you substitute and when you simplify the answer, you will get rho is equal to 3.5 gram per centimeter cube. This is very, very important. Try these problems also. Next is moving on to packing in crystals, how the crystals are packed. So if you go to any fruit market or any vegetable markets, most commonly you can see this in fruit markets only, you can see the arrangement of apples and oranges. The shopkeeper would have arranged in the order of an pyramid மாதிரி ஒரு close packing structureல. So first he will place the base, ஒரு first line arrange பண்ணுவார். அது ஃபுல்லாக அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் in between two apple on the he will place the another one which gives the support. ஸோ அந்த 4 ஆப்பிளுக்கு நடுவில் இன்னொரு ஆப்பிளை பிளேஸ் பண்ணுவார். ஸோ which means அந்த சென்டரில் இருக்கிற void or any space will be covered or it gives support for the another apple to stand. ஸோ இது மாதிரி தான் நம்மளோட யூனிட் செல் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்டும் இருக்க போகுது. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட், if you see linear arrangement of a sphere in one direction. So in a specific direction there is only one possibility to arrange spheres in direction. So in the specific possibility na linear na you can have like this. So a நடுவில் இருக்கிறது பின்னு சொல்லலாம். அகெயின் ஏ பி. ஸோ ஏ நான் ஏன் சொல்கிறேன்னா, ஒரே மாதிரி க்ரீன் கலர் ஐம் நேமிங் இட் as ஏ, தி பிங்க் கலர் ஐம் நேமிங் இட் as பி. So two-dimensional close packing, if you see, you are having many types in two-dimensional. One is AAA type. So AAA type அப்படின்னா linear arrangement of spheres in one direction is repeated in two dimension. ஸோ இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லீனியர் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் வந்து ஒன் டைமென்ஷன் ஒரே டைரக்ஷனில் தான் இருக்கும். பட் டூ டைமென்ஷனில் சேம் அந்த லீனியர் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்டே நம்ம டூ டைமென்ஷன் ஒன் எக்ஸ் டைரக்ஷன்லேயும் ஒய் டைரக்ஷன்லேயும் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணோன்னா we will get this AAA type, which means AAA அப்படின்னா சேம் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் அன் ஆட்டம் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிடணும். டூ டைமென்ஷன் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணோன்னா we will get this AA type. AB type அப்படின்னா in this type the second row of spheres are arranged in such a way that they fit in the depressions of the first row. So இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டிப்ரெஷன் ஆஃப் த ஃபஸ்ட் ரோனா ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஆட்டம்ஸ் ஃபஸ்ட் ரோ ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு டைப் ஆஃப் ஆட்டம் ஏ, செகண்ட் ரோ ஃபுல்லாமே பிங்க் கலர் விச் இஸ் பி. ஸோ தட் பி இஸ் பிளேஸ்ட் இன் பிட்வீன் டூ ஆஃப் ஏ. ஸோ ரெண்டு ஏக்கு நடுவில் இருக்கிற கேப்பில் நம்ம பியை ஃபில் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ இப்படி அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா தட் இஸ் ஏபி டைப்பு. That next is simple cubic arrangement. Simple cubic arrangement, this type of three-dimensional close packing arrangement can be obtained by repeating AAA type. நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா த்ரீ டைமென்ஷனில் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ we saw லீனியர்னா ஒன் டைமென்ஷனில் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறது. டூ டைமென்ஷனில் சேம் டைப் ஆஃப் ஆட்டமை எக்ஸ் டைரக்ஷன் ஒன் ஒய் டைரக்ஷனில் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணனா இட் இஸ் டூ டைமென்ஷனல் ஆர் AAA டைப்பு. சிம்பிள் கியூபிக் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்டில் என்ன பண்ண போகிறோன்னா அந்த ஏஏஏ டைப்பையே நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோன்னா எக்ஸ் டைரக்ஷன் ஒய் டைரக்ஷன் இல்லாமல் இசட் டைரக்ஷன், அதாவது டாப்லேயும் நம்ம இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணிகிட்டே போக போகிறோம். லேயர் பை லேயர், ஒன் பை ஒன் லேயர் டாப்லேயும் நம்ம அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிகிட்டே போகும்போது we will get this simple cubic arrangement. So in simple cubic packing, so can you see here first row is at the bottom. First on the bottom layer க்கு x direction இருக்கு, y direction இருக்கு. Next layer இந்த லேயருக்கு மேலே அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது I will get another direction or another dimension that is in the y axis, sorry that is in the z axis. So now எனக்கு x y z axis மூணு directionலையுமே as you can see here x, y and z direction, மூணு directionலையுமே I can have the arrangement of an atom. So the simple cubic packing each sphere is in contact with the 6 neighboring spheres. So ஒரு sphere எத்தனை sphere ஓட contactல இருக்கு, it is in contact with 6 neighboring spheres. So if you see have if you take this atom which is in the center, so where I have placed a dot, that if you see here, that is in contact with 1 2 3 4 5, இதே மாதிரி அந்த சைடு ஒன்று இருக்கும் 6. அப்போ ஈச் ஸ்பியர் இதே மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்பியரும் 6 ஆட்டம்ஸோட கான்டாக்டில் இருக்கும். ஸோ for in its own layer, one above one below, and hence the coordination number of sphere in simple cubic arrangement for this is 6. So இதோடைய simple cubic arrangement உடைய coordination number பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is 6 because it is in contact with 6 other spheres, neighboring spheres. The coordination number of simple cubic arrangement is 6. So we have to be very careful in remembering this and understanding this. Now we are going to see packing efficiency. இதோட packing efficiency 100% இருக்கா அப்படின்றத நம்ம calculate பண்ண போகிறோம். because in between ஏதாச்சும் voidனா empty spaces இருக்கா. நமக்கு எப்போ good packing system நம்ம சொல்லுவோம், எந்த ஒரு ஸ்பேஸுமே இல்லாமல் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ஆக்குப்பை பண்ணியிருந்ததுன்னா that is good efficient packingனு சொல்லலாம். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி இதோட packing efficiency 100% கவர் ஆயிருக்கா, இல்லை in between voids இருக்கான்றதை நம்ம செக் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ there is some free space in between the spheres of a single layer of the sphere in a successive layer. The percentage of total volume occupied by these constituent spheres give packing efficiency of an arrangement. So we are going to calculate the packing efficiency in simple cubic arrangement. Packing efficiency or packing fraction is equal to total volume occupied by spheres in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. So the 5 mark question, listen carefully. It is also a book back question. So in the question கேட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா you have to draw this diagram, and diagram carries half a mark, and then this formula is there, no, packing fraction or efficiency, total volume occupied by spheres in unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. This carries 1 mark. So இங்கே you will get 1.5 mark. So volume of the unit cell, a cube with edge length number a into a cube னு எடுத்துக்கணும். Let the radius of the sphere we are taking it as a is equal to 2r. r is equal to a by 2. radius பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே 2 r இருக்குது diagramல. So that is r is equal to a by 2 னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Next is volume of the sphere with the radius r is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We all know the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. r இடத்துல substitute the value of r, just now we got a by 2. substitute பண்ணோன்னா we will get it as 4 by 3 pi a cube by 8 னு இருக்கும். So simplify பண்ணோன்னா we will get it as pi a cube by 6 னு கிடைக்கும். In simple cubic arrangement, number of spheres belonging to a unit cell is equal to 1. So simple cubic arrangement number of spheres belonging to ஒரு atom, ஒரு unit cell எத்தனை atom இருக்குன்னு நம்ம calculate பண்ணோம், it is 1. simple cubic unit cell number of atoms calculate பண்ணோம்ல. ஸோ ஒரு யூனிட் செல்லில் எத்தனை ஆட்டம் இருக்குது, 8 கார்னர்ஸில் 8 பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும். அந்த 8 பார்ட்ஸும் சேர்ந்து it gives rise to 1 atom. So total volume occupied by the sphere in simple cubic unit cell is that 1 atom, that is 1 into நம்ம இங்கே கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கிறது pi a cube, that is volume into volume. So 1 into volume is pi a cube by 6. So dividing in the equation, dividing 2 by 3. So packing fraction is pi a cube by 6 divided by a cube into 100. You will get it as 100 pi by 6. So pi oda value substitute பண்ணி நீங்கள் calculate பண்ணிங்கன்னா you will get the packing efficiency as 52.38. That is only 52.38% of the available sphere in the volume is occupied by spheres in simple cubic packing, making inefficient use of available space and hence minimizing the attractive forces. So what they are saying is 100% 52.38 தான் இதோட packing efficiency இருக்கு. ரிமைனிங் எல்லாமே empty spaces-ஆக இருக்கிறதுனால there is no good attraction between each atom in the solid. So this is not more efficient in packing. So of all the metals in the periodic table, only polonium crystallizes in simple cubic pattern. So எது simple cubic patternல வந்து crystallize ஆகும்? எல்லா elements out of 118 elements in the periodic table, only polonium will crystallize in the form of simple cubic pattern. So this is very important objective also. Understood? So this is a 5-mark question, book back question also. So it is very simple. Same way we are going to see for body centered cubic arrangement oda packing efficiency na FCC oda packing efficiency, and it is very simple again. So you have to learn thoroughly now itself. So the presentation of this answer is you have to draw this diagram. This diagram carries marks and this formula carries marks. So this is very simple. Out of all the 3 packing efficiencies, this is very simple and smaller one. So tomorrow we will see, or in the next class, in the next class we will see the packing efficiency for BCC and FCC. Until then, revise the chapters carefully, thoroughly, follow the classes regularly and send your assignments on time. Please don't make me to put you in the defaulters list. Again, already very few are there. Please send your assignments on time. Thank you.